7, 8, spot, spot, land. Now guess what a lot of us just did to land? Step out. I don't want you to step. I want to see a split landing. We should be able to do a controlled double as a team. Show me first your pop. No! No! All right, paper towels, people. Go, go, go. You can be anything you want. You can be everything you choose. Do not let it slip away. 'Cause if you never try it, you never know. Okay, let's just do right now. I want to see nice, solid, double pirouettes. Making you do doubles because I want to see how much control we have, okay? So first, show me your prep. Good. I want you to think about like the little things. Lifting your back heel, tucking your booty, closing your ribs, shoulders pressed down, okay? Double pirouette, solid landing. So come out of this for a second. Raise your hand. I want to know things that you think when we're going to do a double pirouette, what do we not want to do?
You don't want to like not straighten through your base.
You want to not straighten through your base leg, yes. There's something specific I'm looking for right now. If we're going to just do a double pirouette, what do we not want to do? Gracie?
You don't want to put your heel down.
And we don't want to put our heel down, yes, but Cameron? Huh? We want to point our feet, yes. Alexa? We want to engage our muscles, yes, but we're not. Avery? Yes, ding, 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 ding. That's the one I was looking for. So a lot of times, especially when you're used to trying to go for more turns, we tend to put too much momentum into a double. You hardly need anything, okay? All you really need, you guys, is that little bit of a plie. You should have virtually, if no momentum to do a nice controlled double. We don't need to like throw ourselves into a turn. All you need to do is barely go plie and up, and it should just happen if we wipe off the table before we go to dinner. Okay, so, but guess what a lot of us are doing right now that I don't want us to do is because that we're giving no momentum, we're like this. Gentle turners, we're being too gentle. I don't want you to turn very gentle. We still need to have strong muscles, but not a lot of momentum, okay? That was too much momentum. That's what I'm meaning, like, I wish I could do it and I can't do a turn right now, but I really wish I could show you what I mean. That was too much momentum. It's a good turn, but too much momentum. So watch Brianna. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, she still used her muscles, but do you see how she hardly put any momentum into it? Well, just watch those hands. Okay, so let me see. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, spot, spot, and land. Okay, ready? In your prep, show me your prep. Tuck your booty, shoulders down. Check out your technique. Close your ribs. 5, 6, 7, 8, spot, spot, land. Now guess what a lot of us just did to land? Step out. I don't want you to step. I want to see a split landing. We should be able to do a controlled double as a team. Show me first your pop.
Oh.
No! No! Ah! All right, paper towels, people. Go, go, go. Oh, it's like under my feet. So back to your pirouettes. So go back to your pirouettes. I want to see nice, solid double pirouettes, okay? So show me your, but first, we were about to do this. I was going to have you show me your passe, and that's when the crutch went and everything went down. So watch those hands and lower those arms. So everybody do this for me again. Find your ribs for me. Okay, now walk, you know how your ribs round right here? Walk up to where your ribs like start their separation. Press your shoulders down. Bring your fingers straight out from there. It's just a good place to start for our arms. Now hide your thumbs. We do not want any hitchhikers or birthday candles. Blow them out, okay? But also we don't want droopy elbows either. So always, you guys, your elbows should be a little bit lower than your shoulders. We don't want to ever, and then our hands shouldn't be up higher either because then we look like lazy arms. Okay, so pressing down, squeezing, yep. Yes, so, okay, show me again your passe. Show me that pointed foot, straight back, shoulders pressed down, squeezing your shoulders together, keeping your ribs closed. B, I feel like I can tell you're just arching a little bit, so close those ribs a little. There you go, yep. Good. It's always good to do, you come out of it for a second, it's always good to do a side check of yourself, like face this way and go into passe and see if your back's swayed. So we don't want to have a sway back, yeah? We want to keep that really nice and straight. Sway back would be like this. when we do this. And you stick your booties out. We want it to be tucked. So now I want to see those solid doubles. The reason, you guys, I want you to do doubles right now, I know we can do more than that. I want you to focus on perfect technique. So I want to see good solid doubles with high passes, correct hand placement, not arching your back, splitting your landing, okay? So in your prep, ready? Make sure you're not leaning forward. Lift your back heel, bend your knees, tuck your booty, close your ribs. 5, 6, 7, 8, spot, spot, hit. Stick it. Don't move. Try it again in your prep. Shoulders down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and spot, spot, land. Izzy, watch your arms a little bit. So keep those arms nice and lifted. Again in your prep. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and spot, spot, land. You are giving yourself a little bit too much power, but I want you to spot harder too. Snap that head around. Again in your prep. 5, 6, 7, 8, spot, spot, land. Good. I want you to think muscle in your arms. So even though I feel like we're just a lot of us just have our arms here and they're just there, I want you to have them there with a purpose, yes? Let me see you do, let's go for a triple. Ready? Higher passes, straight supporting legs, high releves, don't flat foot turn. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, spot, spot, spot. Yep, get those legs straight. Ready again in your prep? 5, 6, 7, 8, spot, spot, spot. Good, just watch this. 5, 6, 7, 8, spot, spot, spot. Claire, use this a little bit more. Yeah, because you're doing it a little bit, but I want you to do even more when you do it. It's going to help you get around a little bit. Okay, let's go for quads. Ready? 4 rotations. Here we go. Just a tiny bit more momentum, but guess what else I need more of then? Straighter supporting leg, higher releve. When you get to that last rotation, that's when I want you to push your releve higher. Don't let it sink when you get to your last rotation. That was a better releve for you. Yep. Connect that foot. Ready? Did you say that to her at the same time?
Connect your pass.
Yeah. Ready? In your prep. 5, 6, 7, 8, spot, 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 spot. Izzy, watch. Get that passe up quicker, and then Skylar, your arms are up here. Lower them a little bit. Again. Nice, B. That was better. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, spot, 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 spot. Now I want you to yell spot, 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 spot. I want you to yell your spots out so we know we're doing them together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, spot, 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 spot. Yeah, so we got to watch that. Okay, we are going to stop turning for a second.